Hello and welcome to another modeling video. This is Alan from the Mokanaman at YouTube with another event review. Animaga, 24th to 25th of August, the Melbourne Exhibition Convention Centre. Disclaimer, I hold a staff position on a committee, so may be biased in my review. Double in size to the previous year, everyone lined up leading to 10 AM to take to the main hall. Rushing in to purchase exclusive items, gaining tokens for signatures and meeting the voice actor guests, and participating in many of the activities. One of them, I was running the plamo workshop and free Gunpla giveaway by Hobbyist and Bandai. You're able to go to a booking site and register a session to come back, build one of these 1144 RX-78 experience versions, no grade, do a survey and take it home. It was incredibly popular and the workshop was completely booked for the whole weekend. A few of the attendees brought their own kits to show off and display, including myself and some volunteers. A TV intent to show demonstrations. A few tables reserved for all day building and painting for kits bought in the Traders Hall or from the salt mines, and a couple of plaster figures for painting from last year. I spent the bulk of my time here assisting with people and introducing them to the hobby, helping with their first time kits and giving advice, with my team of volunteers and regular friends doing the same by my side. Across the workshop is another display hosted by the Melbourne BJD Emporium, a collection of a broad variety, brand scales and subjects of ball jointed dolls, expertly dressed and posed to a stunning backdrop for photography by attendees, curated by members of the group, who are willing to assist beginners in entering the hobby. Past that is the very popular art area. Equal in size to the Gunpla area, it hosts a whole range of activities, mostly a free drawing area, filling up bottle sound effects, origami, pipe cleaner sculpting, and free badge making. The walls contain an on-the-day and digital art competition with very generous prizes and the grand prize of a tablet. Finishing off with a Shinto shrine wishing wall and a fun free draw wall. Couldn't help myself scribbling on it with some of my art friends. The area was packed for the entire duration of the convention. Dwarfing the creative workshop spaces, the gaming areas were much larger and divided within three areas, starting with tabletop, made up of clubs and sponsors like traditional Japanese games, Go and Mahjong, to general pop culture like Dungeons and Dragons. Followed with trading card games. This is a sponsored area. I'm not up to date with what's current and popular. There's a few traders selling signed and graded cards to full decks and booster packs. There's a lot of high quality waifu art all over them. Lastly, video games. A few consoles, these awesome imported Riven Game arcade machines, and the Couch Warriors group with PC Game Station. Displays were also present, starting with the cosplay area, which I didn't explore too much. The volunteers were handpicked cosplayers, with a few guests and experts doing panels. Captain Patches had a repair area for people whose costumes damaged on the day, and judging zone for the competition, with a few photo backdrops and standees. Most impressive of the lot is the Itasha display. Loosely translates to painful car display or driving. It's showroom cars or race cars with anime imagery or characters all over, with 7 of some of the newest cars on the scene on display that weekend. They are very cool and I'm always excited to see one in the wilds during my day-to-day activities. 2 of them I've witnessed before. The largest and most audible draw card is the staging areas. The largest one hosting cosplay, musical performances and panels by the guests, with a smaller idle stage for local acts and karaoke. You may also see one of the super cheer fan guys throwing around glow sticks, not forgetting the trivia area that hosts anime quiz game shows. wrapping up the experience with the Traders Hall and Artist Alley. The traders were diverse from apparel and fashion, even an actual tattooist, all the way to anime and hobby shops with figures and model kits, to food trucks, game stores, and even Indomie Migaren and their claw machine, taxidermist, LARP weapons, the list goes on. The artist section, which is the true heart of the convention and incredibly impressive with 300 very diverse and wide range of stalls. Speaking to some of them, professionals who travel the world from event to event to up and coming artists. Mostly digital art, but some pieces like 3D prints and sculptures, jewelry. Entry may have been congested during the midday periods, but overall glowing and fantastic feedback from attendees, traders and volunteers alike. Selling out before the day, I'd like to thank everyone for coming and supporting the event. 2025 convention has been announced and will be in a much bigger space than this year. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, until next time, stay tuned for the content and we'll catch you guys next time. See ya.